your ultimate guide to the airdrop setter. Hey, YouTube fam! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting opportunity that you won't want to miss. We're diving into Setter, the ultimate app for drops and community rewards. And the best part? They're giving away free SDR points just for signing up. I'm your Shisa, and let's get started. First things first, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest drops and airdrop opportunities. Now, let's talk about the exciting airdrop that Setter has in store for you. They're giving away free SDR points just for signing up. Yes, you heard that right. Plus, there's an opportunity to earn a whopping 2,500 SDR points for each referral. It's raining rewards, and you're invited to the party. Joining the airdrop is as easy as 1, 2, 3. 1. Open the Setter app, available for download on both iOS and Android. Show the app on a smartphone too. Connect your wallet securely within the app. Demonstrate the wallet connection process 3. Reserve your unique username to unlock exclusive SDR rewards and other drops. Show how to reserve a username. Now, let's talk about boosting those points. For every friend you refer, you earn a whopping 2,500 SDR points. It's like leveling up in the rewards game with every person you bring on board. The more, the merrier. Are you excited about this airdrop? Let me know in the comments below. And if you've already signed up, share your experience with the Setter app. We love hearing from our community. Don't forget to follow Setter on their social channels for more details about the airdrop and other exciting drops they have in the pipeline. All the links are in the description below. That's a wrap for today's video. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to grab those free SDR points, and until next time, stay tuned for more exclusive content right here on Airdrop Finder Global. See you in the next one.